Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC, Polygon MATIC. It did drop below that important 89-cent level. Not for long, but well, it is still there actually. Yeah, it did drop below that level. It did drop below this swing high here. And therefore it makes me consider a different wave pattern for the bullish potential, because at the moment there is still some bullish potential there. We've got a trend line here. However, not really in an impulsive way anymore. Yeah, in the previous video I showed you the potential here to form a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, 4 and 5. And I said, whatever we do, we need to avoid to go below the wave 1 high to maintain this impulse structure, which is of course the best structure you can get for a possible breakout, because MATIC is able to break out from here. However, the move down here did not really help, yeah, with that potential. So I had to remove the impulsive count because it's just not likely anymore. What I find more likely, if we still rally higher, and to be honest, I do consider that quite realistic potential, and I can go with that blue count, which is short-term bullish at least. I can go with that as long as we are holding above 83 cents. To be fair, that is the most likely support area. We've already entered it, and for this, and it would be considered a wave A to the upside. Down here now a B wave. This B wave, well, I could still allow for the 80-cent level, yeah, but below that it's not maintainable. You know, below that I can't really go with it. This is the ideal level, the 38.2 retracement and the 61.8 retracement all the way down to, let's say, 83 cents. If we go below that, yes, we could still accept it as a B wave, as long as we hold above 80 cents, but below that it's over. And then it will strongly be, then I will be strongly in favor of a direct sell-off below 80 cents. The upside potential has already become less likely with a drop below 89 cents. But this is still a valid count that could push us higher in the short term. And to be honest, above 83 cents, I think that's actually quite realistic. I'm actually leaning towards it as long as we stay above 83 cents, because it is broadly in line with the Bitcoin count and broadly in line with the Ethereum counts, at least with the bullish counts of both of them, and they are currently holding support. So this is still very much possible. So we've got support now at 88 cents. It's the 38.2% FIB level, but it doesn't look like this move down is finished. Looks like we may need one more low. Next support after that is 86 cents, which is the 50% retracement. And then we've got the 61.8 retracement, which is the 83.6 cent level. Only below that level, okay, it gets less likely that it's still a B wave, but we could still allow the 80-cent level as a possible support. But below that, it's not, you know, we can't defend it anymore as this pattern. If we go below 80 cents, again, we are strongly in favor of the direct sell-off, which is here the white wave count, yeah, and it would suggest that we are coming down in a wave 1, move up in a wave 2, we move down in a 3, move up in a 4 and a 5. So this is the pattern that will become the preferred one below 80 cents. At the moment we can go with this one, and the reason for that actually is that the decline of the December high looks quite corrective. So I'm in favor of it as a B wave. Yeah. If we were seeing a impulsive move down, and that's why structures are so important, but if the move down was impulsive, it would most likely be this C wave of 3 that would take us straight away into this yellow support box. But because the move down is currently corrective, I consider this structure now, yeah. So yeah, that's where we are. Always need to be on the lookout for what the kind of a structure we have. Is it corrective or impulsive? And that can guide us in the choice of our wave counts here. And therefore, I'm telling you that as long as we're holding here in the blue box, we can be in favor of upside, especially because the move down is currently corrective, which would favor an impulse to the upside in a wave C. It would be an impulse in a correction, which could then afterwards result in a move down. But we need to see that At the moment, short term, this is the support area. This is what's relevant. And if we drop below that, 80 cents is the last option to turn around, but then we should really come down impulsively. Below 80 cents, it basically counts as an impulse what's coming down here. Yeah, at the moment, it still also looks corrective. So yeah, still need a bit of patience here, but again, I'm currently in favor of further upside. It would be in line with what I expect for Ethereum and Bitcoin until those support levels that are relevant for those coins are broken. We can be in favor of short-term upside. Okay, and that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.